Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to add a favicon and change the site title for your WordPress website. Let's begin. First, open your website in a browser. Look at the Browser tab, top left of the tab. If you only see a blank globe, the WordPress logo, or nothing next to the page title, then the favicon is missing. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. In WordPress Admin, go to Settings General. Go to the Site Icon section. Now, click on the Choose a Site Icon box. Now upload a new image or select image from your media file. Crop if prompted, then click on Save Changes. Now verify the final result. Open your site. Look at the Browser tab and address bar. The new favicon should appear. Now let's add the site title. Go to Settings page and Site Title section. In Site Title, type your new site title. Click on Save Changes. Now let's check it. Go to your site and refresh the page. Look at the Browser tab and address bar. You can see the new site title. And that's it. If you run into any issues to add a favicon and site title to your WordPress website, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.